Are your car speakers lacking deep bass and clarity? Want deep, clean, punchy sound without distortion? In this review, we break down top-rated speakers. Expect powerful bass, crisp mids, and clear highs. We also cover build quality, sensitivity, and power handling. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for the best 6.5-inch car speakers for bass. Let's get started. 1. Pioneer A-Series Plus TS-1681F. Deep bass with clean sound. If you want a clear upgrade from stock speakers, this one feels right. The Pioneer A-Series TS-1681F delivers strong, punchy bass without losing detail. Music sounds fuller right away. Installation stays simple thanks to the included adapters. Most users can install it in under an hour. The bass response feels controlled, not messy. That matters if you enjoy hip-hop or EDM. Vocals also stay clear, even at higher volume. The price usually sits between $60 and $90, making it a solid value. Verdict: buy this car speaker if you want strong bass with balanced sound. Great for easy upgrades. 2. Boss Audio Systems GH6530 Chaos Series. Budget-friendly bass. If you need a low-cost upgrade, this one is easy to like. The Boss GH6530 speaker gives you better bass than worn-out factory speakers. It won't shake your car, but it adds a nice punch for daily music. You don't need extra gear to get started. That keeps things simple. Installation is quick and beginner-friendly. The build quality feels basic but fair for the price. Expect to spend around $30 to $50, which makes it one of the cheapest options here. If you play music at very high volume, distortion may appear, so keep expectations realistic. Verdict: the best car speaker for tight budgets and simple upgrades. A good pick for light bass and everyday use.
3. Pioneer F-Series TS-F1634R. Clean sound with light bass. If your goal is clean sound with a touch of bass, this one fits well. The Pioneer F-Series TS-F1634R speaker focuses on clarity first. You get smooth audio that feels easy to listen to every day. It handles up to 200 watts max, which works great with stock systems. You don't need an amp here. That keeps things simple and budget-friendly. Most users install it without hassle. It suits drivers who enjoy balanced audio over heavy bass. The price of the Pioneer TS-F1634R speaker usually falls between $40 and $70, making it a safe upgrade. If your current speakers sound dull, this will feel like a fresh change. Verdict: best for clean, balanced sound with light bass. Great for stock replacement and daily driving. 4. DS18 Pro GM6B. Loud, punchy mid-bass for strong setups. If you want a louder sound with sharp bass hits, this one stands out. The DS18 Pro GM6B speaker is built for high output. It delivers punchy mid-bass that you can feel in your chest. This is not a full-range speaker. It focuses on mid-range and mid-bass, so you get fast, hard hits instead of deep rumble. For best results, pair it with a subwoofer. The bullet design helps push sound forward. That makes music feel more direct and loud. It's great for open systems or show-style builds. The price of the DS18 Pro GM6B speaker is around $40 to $70 per speaker. If you like loud music with a strong impact, this one delivers. Verdict: the best car speaker for loud setups and punchy mid-bass. Add a subwoofer for deep bass.
5. ORION Cobalt CM654. Hard-hitting mid-bass for loud music. If you love loud music with a strong impact, this speaker will catch your ear. The ORION Cobalt CM654 speaker is built for high output and aggressive sound. It delivers sharp, punchy mid-bass that cuts through road noise. With 1,000 watts max power, this speaker needs an amp to shine. Once powered well, it gets very loud. You will feel the energy in every beat. It works great for hip-hop, EDM, and street-style systems. The price of the ORION Cobalt CM654 speaker usually ranges from $80 to $120 for the pair. If your goal is loud and clear sound with a strong punch, this is a great pick. Verdict: the best car speaker for loud setups with strong mid-bass, perfect with a subwoofer for full bass depth. 6. Kenwood KFC-1666R, smooth bass for everyday driving. If you want a simple upgrade that just works, this car speaker is a safe pick. The Kenwood KFC-1666R speaker delivers clear sound with a nice touch of bass. It feels more full than stock speakers right away. With 300 watts max power, it runs well on most factory systems. You don't need an amp to enjoy it. That makes setup quick and stress-free. Many users install it in under an hour. The price of the Kenwood KFC-1666R speaker usually falls between $50 and $80 for the quality. If you want better sound without extra effort, this one makes sense. Verdict: the best car speaker for daily drivers who want smooth bass at an easy setup. Simple and reliable.
7. ORION Cobalt CB653, balanced bass with easy upgrade. If you want better bass without changing your whole setup, this one is a smart pick. The ORION Cobalt CB653 gives a nice mix of bass, mids, and highs. It feels more lively than most stock speakers. With 240 watts max power, it works well with factory head units. You don't need an amp to enjoy it. That keeps things simple for beginners. Installation is quick and fits most cars. The polypropylene cone helps with durability. Sound stays stable even after long use. The ORION Cobalt CB653 price usually sits between $60 and $90, which is fair for what you get. If you want a clean upgrade with noticeable bass, this one delivers. Verdict: the best car speaker for balanced sound with solid bass and easy install. Great for daily use without extra gear. Which are the best 6.5-inch car speakers for bass to buy? Choosing the right one depends on how much bass you really want. Let's keep it simple. If you want strong bass without extra setup, go with the Pioneer TS-A1681F. It gives tight bass and clear sound, great for most drivers. On a low budget, pick the Boss CH6530. It's cheap and still improves bass over stock speakers, good for basic use. If you plan to add an amp and want loud, punchy bass, choose the ORION CM654 or DS18 Pro GM6B. These get very loud and hit hard. Pair them with a subwoofer for deeper bass. For simple daily driving, the Kenwood KFC-1666R is a safe choice, easy install and smooth sound. Want a balanced upgrade with decent bass? Go with the ORION CB653. It's simple and effective.